Looking to sell affiliate or dropship products on your Prestashop store? Introducing the Buy from External Link module for Prestashop. Effortlessly redirect customers to purchase items from other websites directly from your product pages. This module is developed by FME Modules, a leading Prestashop development company having more than 150 modules in its catalog. Let's see what this module can do for you. Add one or multiple Buy Now links on product pages to redirect customers. Optionally, hide the default Add to Cart button and force redirection. Display different external URLs based on the customer's country. Monitor click-through and performance data from the backend. Let's see our module in action. On a product page, you'll now see a Buy from External button. When clicked, the customer is taken straight to the desired external store, ideal for affiliate products, marketplace items, or vendor links. You can add multiple links per product, each with custom button text like Buy on Amazon or View Vendor Site. You can also hide Add to Cart button if you want. For international audiences, the module automatically detects visitors' country and displays the appropriate link. Now let's take a look at the backend. To manually create a new external link, head over to the Purchase Link tab and click the plus button. Here, you can select the products where the link should appear. Choose the target country or apply globally. Enter the destination URL. And finally, define the custom button text that will appear on the front end. Once saved, the custom button will instantly appear on your product page, ready to redirect visitors to the external source. Thank you for watching. If you have any further queries, feel free to contact us on our website.